Welcome back for the 5th flower in our Easy Buttercream Piping series, the Carnation. We will be using a number 104 petal piping tip, and we want the narrow end to be facing up. I have prepared a white buttercream as well as a small amount of pink buttercream. We are going to stripe our colored buttercream lined up with the narrow end of our tip here. I like to use a spatula so that I can get a nice thin line. And we will fill the remainder of our bag with our base color buttercream. I'm using white, but you could use whichever colors you would like for your carnations. We'll also be using a number 10 tip with some white buttercream. Attach a square of parchment to a flower nail. Pipe a small cone in the center. Holding your 104 tip with the narrow end pointed up, we will begin piping our petals. You will notice that these petals have a nice ruffled shape. To achieve this look, I am moving my piping bag up and down slightly while wiggling it. And that's going to give a nice look to these petals. So as we come in and do the next layer, I am moving down to the center or the middle point on that cone and attaching my petals there. So we will continue piping our petals here. As we move to the last layer, I'm going to move my tip down to the base of the flower nail here, and I'm going to angle the tip slightly out to create a nice outer petal. As always, I'd appreciate so much if you would like or subscribe, and I hope that you'll join me next week for a new tutorial. Thanks for watching.